Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about who I choose number one, Muzawukhulelwa Themba Sibiya. Hey, I just want us to do a video on one topic only. I just want to laugh. I feel like laughing. So yesterday, as Ramsipile was busy with demonstration, I don't know if I did a video on this or not, but it makes me happy and it makes me laugh. So Ramsipule was busy with demonstrations there. And then while he was busy with demonstrations, asking Muzi to do demonstrations of certain issues, number one, I felt like Ramsipule came there prepared that he's going to do that. And whoever had the plastic with them, you were in cahoots with Ramsipule, ma'am. Say, ma'am, you were in cahoots because how do you find the plastic there? Who's gonna be holding plastic there in the courtroom? Didn't make any sense to me. Nonetheless, I am not complaining for that situation, but all I'm saying, bravo to Ramza for that situation. The second thing that I felt like was very much appropriate is Ramsipile wanting Muzi to put into action what he is saying so that people can have an idea, can understand, can see from his perspective what's happening. One thing that was very funny for me was Muzi Sibiya saying, was alarm show. Was alarm Ukhola. I could swear Mukhola was so shocked and was like, I don't trust him. I didn't hear Mukhola saying anything. I wonder if Kininda was in court because there was too much police officers yesterday and today. I think he was because the time that you would see too much police officers and the person that we know enjoys that spectacle, Mugininda himself. More than anything, akunante endichaze ngokuthi Umuzi wanted to demonstrate the plastic tubing there by Mukhola. To all the people that were in the room, he wanted to do the demonstration on Mukhola. That, my goodness, killed the hell out of me. I was laughing. I do not want to lie. Do I think that was safe? No, not that it was never going to be safe on other people. I can't do it on me. I have to do it to someone else. He looked around and I guess he said he did this and this, and then he was like, Nangulo, and he was like, what's allowing? I want to, I wanted to see Mukhola's face at that moment, guys. I do not want to lie. I wanted to see Mukhola's face at that moment. I wanted to see Muzi's face at that moment. And I wanted to see when he says, Woza Mukhola ngenze ngawe. I wanted to see Uguti, is Mukhola terrified? Is Mukhola like, yo, I don't trust you? I wanted to see, or who was curious, Jengam, guys? No, Mina, I was very much curious because a lot could have happened there. First of all, this is an angry man. Even though Umuzi is a calm person, you know, but even in anger, he will tell you off while he is still very calm, which makes him very dangerous. Just Jay, like under normal circumstances, all people that are very calm on all situations, you must know they are very dangerous. So I understood when Mukhola didn't agree. She didn't jump for that. She was not up for it, even though I did not hear her speak. But I would have loved seeing Mukhola's face to see when Muzi says that and then looked at her, how she responded, like with facial expressions. What did she was like, and she was like, what? No, never. I'm not doing that. Like, you know, those, my face, I do them speaking facial expressions. Me, you will never, I can't hide. I do all of that now. I do it with my face. You would know how I feel because my face will be telling you. So I wanted to see the feelings, the emotional turmoil, everything, Jay, in her face. I wanted to see all of that, Shem. Me, I wanted to see all of that, guys. Am I toxic? Am I toxic for wanting to see the horror on Mukhola's face? If Gininda was there, I also want to see, did they look at each other? If they did, what happened? I wanted to see Gininda's horror self. Was he laughing? Was he shocked? Was he in horror? What happened? Like, can someone tell me who was inside the court? What happened? Now, guys, is there any of you who was inside the court? Perhaps you were in court. I want to see. I want to know what happened. What was the reaction of them people there? Did I don't remember. Did the people inside the courtroom started laughing also when Sibiya said Mukhola was? What would he say was a Mukhola, but he is standing with the interpreter? Yo, guys, no, that situation made my day. I laughed. I laughed at not when alive. And uh, uh, what I'm trying to get at is I'm glad Ramsipile was like, no, what's not insurance for that? Because imagine someone who has put you through some situation and you get an opportunity to cube them. I know it won't be a joke, it won't be a demonstration anymore. Anything could have happened. Music could have empty closed off. We would have heard Umukhola screaming there. I'm sorry. No, but deep down, I wanted Mukhola to feel how it felt to be in Muzi when he was being cubed and she was also present. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. And there is someone else that who doesn't believe that the cubing happened. That person needs to also be put there so that he feels how it's like being cubed. And then he will stop saying people are with actions and the things that he says people are lying. There's someone else. There's someone else I know that I also know you guys know that naye nje Umuzi could have done the example kayena and say, let's try it. Uyizwe la kuwena ukuthi kunjani ukutyuba ngeplastic. And also, in my honest opinion, Uramsipile was prepared for that because tell me how did that person know to have a plastic? Whoever had that plastic inside, he's busy looking around saying, "Who has a plastic around?" No, Ramsipile, you knew the person who had the plastic. Sorry, they knew that the plastic is gonna be needed. I'm not taking anything else. I'm sorry. I didn't believe Manteta something else. That plastic situation was planned for. Ngeke. 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 That plastic situation was planned for. I don't believe anything else after that. The plastic situation was planned for. But again, nonetheless, now guys, I don't know what were your thoughts when that was happening. Yeah, one of that demonstration part of it, it had me on the floor. It choked me, had me on the floor. I was sneezing. I was doing all things that, hey, I was laughing, guys. I've never laughed like that. For Muzi to say, Waza or Umukhola Wakazi. I know. Hey. I thought I would do a video like focusing just on that. Umukhola Akazi. Jani Mtekazi. Jani. The audacity of Umuzi saying to Umukhola Makazi, I'm tube. I listen. No. Watch that rata. Watch that rata. Yeah, anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of that, guys? Because I enjoyed that moment. I do not want to lie. It made me laugh. It made me really laugh, guys. How did you feel when Muzi said was a Mukhola ngikutyube? Akashongo in full, but uthe was a Mukhola. Ebezodemonstrate, but bezodemonstrate itubing ngeplastic. What did you think about the tubing plastic? Must state in the comment section. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.